In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Paychecks with QuickBooks Desktop. Before we jump in, let's take a moment to get familiar with the QuickBooks Desktop workspace, because understanding the layout makes everything easier and faster. On the homepage, you'll see your visual dashboard. This area is designed to show common workflows grouped by functions such as vendors, customers, and employees. It gives you a simple way to move through everyday accounting tasks without having to search through menus. At the very top of the screen, you'll find the menu bar. This is where QuickBooks organizes tasks in a more detailed, hierarchical way. If you ever need to access tools or features that don't appear on the homepage, this is usually the place to look. It's especially helpful for advanced functions or tasks you may not use as often. You'll also notice the icon bar, which typically appears along the left side of the screen or sometimes across the top, depending on your layout. Think of this as a customizable toolbar. It gives you quick access to open windows, account balances, and reports you use regularly. If you personalize it to match your workflow, it can save a lot of time during the day. Speaking of saving time, QuickBooks Desktop also includes several keyboard shortcuts that can help you move through tasks more efficiently and reduce how often you need to use the mouse. These are especially useful once you start working in the program more often. For example, pressing Ctrl and I will open the Create Invoice window. This is helpful when you need to enter a customer invoice quickly without navigating through multiple screens. Pressing Ctrl and W opens the Paychecks window. Even though this is separate from payroll, it's a useful shortcut to remember because check-related tasks are common in QuickBooks. If you press Ctrl and M, QuickBooks opens the memorized report list. This can be a big time saver if you run the same payroll or financial reports on a regular basis and want fast access to saved report settings. And finally, pressing Ctrl and A opens the chart of accounts. This is one of the most important areas in QuickBooks because it gives you access to the accounts that organize your company's financial activity. As you work on payroll tasks in QuickBooks Desktop, getting comfortable with the homepage, menu bar, icon bar, and these basic shortcuts will make the process much smoother. Even a few small efficiency habits can make a big difference when you're managing paychecks and other accounting tasks on a regular basis.